everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Puja, and if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a world to me if you like my work and this girl right here who's sitting and talking to you. And if you're already a subscriber, then thank you so much, guys, for your constant love and support. Thank you so much. So you guys already know by the title now that this makeup look is inspired by Sara Khan and Shreya Jain, of course, because she has recreated this beautiful look so effortlessly on her channel. And I really wanted to recreate the look because of its simplicity, so classic look that can be worn with any outfit in at for any occasion as well. So it's a very easy peasy look with cold eyes and the overall glow on the face. And you need not have to be a pro to create this look. Anybody can achieve this look so easily. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's get started with the video. I hope you guys will enjoy the video.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, and when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. On. Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not there, gotta go again. We still get over it. Cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, and when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just that I could find it, I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. Wish to get over it, cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You're still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done.
So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, then please hit that like button and share the video with your friends and family. I'll see you on my next video. Till then, guys, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video.